Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram you can't follow accounts right now. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So guys, when you want to follow to your friend or any other people on your Instagram account and facing this issue on your Instagram account, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to take screenshot of this problem, and guys, after doing this, simply you have to go back. And guys, after going to back, you have to open your Instagram, click on your main profile icon, click on three lines and click on settings and privacy. And guys, simply first of all you have to check any restriction from here. So guys, if you have any restriction due to any post, simply you have to delete that post from here. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back and scroll it below. Here is the option of help. You have to click on this tab, click on report a problem, click on report a problem, and guys, click on include and continue. And here you need to upload that screenshot that you have taken now. And guys, here you need to write an appeal that I have pasted here. So guys, simply you have to copy this appeal. I will put this appeal in this video description. So guys, simply you have to copy this appeal. And here you need to enter your username of your Instagram account, and below you need to write your full name and username as well. And guys, after this, simply you have to send your appeal, and guys, within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.